Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to show you how to make smoked salmon on this smoker over here. So step one is to get your charcoal. Want to get it going. We have this chimney that we're using and we're going to use it to create a charcoal bed. So we're going to dump them here and that's going to help ignite all the wood. So now we dump the charcoal at the bottom and then we put some wood. The wood catches fire right away because it's sitting right on top of the charcoal. And we're gonna start the fire, burn some logs, and we're gonna close the lid here. Now one thing I do inside is to put some water to keep the moisture inside. So now we're gonna close this off and get the temperature up. Now what I also do is put a log just on the grates over here on the right side. Yeah, just like that. And it just helps to dry that log. So then when you're ready to put in another log into the fire, it's already dry and it catches fire quick. Now I cook with this door open for the maximum airflow. You can of course close it if it's rainy or super windy, but for the most part on the good days you can keep this one open. Make sure you open this again for the maximum airflow. The temperature is slowly starting to rise. Now you can see that there is temperatures for smoking, barbecuing, grilling. Today we're cooking salmon and we're going to be cooking between 250 and 275 degrees and we're going to smoke it for 1 hour. Now this temperature here measures the temperature where it's installed, which is at the top of the lid here. If we open this up, you see where the gauge is. This is where the temperature gauge is. What we also want to measure is the temperature at this level, at the grate level, because that's where the food is going to lie. The food is going to be actually over here. So for that we have this thermometers and you can attach 2 of them here, 1, 2, and they measure the temperature. So we're going to put this at the grate level. We have the second one that we can stick into the meat or chicken, fish, whatever. And then this communicates remotely and we're going to turn this on. And it basically tells you the temperature on your probes. So we're going to measure the temperature here, about in the middle, and we're going to cook here, here, and here. Okay, now we can close this off. Okay, the fire is going. We're going to close off the fire, and now we can start to see the temperature rising. So this we can walk around and hold it in our hands. 94. It's gonna switch and update it here. It updates every few seconds. 107. Okay, so the temperature is now climbing. And you can see it's climbing over here as well. Okay, now we've got the temperature up. It's time to throw in the food inside. We're cooking salmon. These are gonna cook on the cedar planks and we're just gonna put them inside just like that. They're nicely marinated. It is a delicious recipe. Just like that. And now we're gonna close it. And after an hour of cooking, voila! Delicious smoked salmon.